Let's explore the incredible features of the GoPro camera, from its high-quality features, capabilities, to its durability and ease of use. This camera is a game changer. Whether your dad is capturing family moments or embarking on outdoor adventures, the GoPro camera is the perfect companion. The GoPro camera, from recording precious family memories to documenting thrilling outdoor activities, this camera captures it all. It's a gift that keeps on giving long after Father's Day. Choosing the GoPro camera as a Father's Day gift is a no-brainer. Its versatility and practicality makes it a standout present that your dad will cherish. So why wait? Make this Father's Day unforgettable with the GoPro camera. Don't hesitate to purchase the GoPro camera for your dad or explore more gift ideas on our channel. Share your thoughts and gift suggestions in the comments below. Let's make this Father's Day one to remember. Warning, warning, my personal opinions of the GoPro camera.
I haven't had any problems with this camera, this GoPro. The most problem I've had is scratching the lens cover or cracking a lens cover and having to replace it. But it's really simple to change, and they're only like, I don't know, 15-20 bucks. But I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change. There's the lens cover, and I can see it's a little bit dirty. So, yes, I know I should have some special cloth to clean this with, but it's GoPro, they're tough. So now, put it back on, and it's that simple. And it's just a cover, the actual lens is behind that. And so it never gets any damage, gets any dirt, gets anything else in it. And when you crack it, chip it, scratch it, it's as simple as twisting it off and putting it back on. I really like my GoPro. Like I said, I've had it since the Hero Black 5 was the cat's meow. It's always treated me really good. I just kind of want to turn the camera on just to show you this and to tell you I like it. I use it. I've used it for a very long time. They're very durable. Come loose from their mount and go bouncing down the road. Most of the time, they're savable unless someone drives over them. They're really rugged. They're really bulletproof. They're stout and strong. It's the only thing I use. The only thing else I would use is another one to get different angles. If your dad's an off-road enthusiast or likes to go camping or likes to go hunting, fishing, this is a great little camera that can take a lot of use. If you've watched any of my videos, 99% of the footage is from this camera. This camera has supplied all the videos that I've produced on YouTube, and it's worked great, and it's only a 5. Imagine what a 12 would do. And $299, man, that's a heck of a good deal. So if you've been wanting to buy your dad a GoPro, now's the time, and I highly recommend it. If you go to the show notes or in the description, you'll find the links for both of these. Happy Father's Day!
That's a wrap on the GoPro camera for Father's Day 2024. Thank you for watching, and happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there.